Vincent Chan is a China strategist at Aletheia Capital. Vincent, good to have you in the show. Thank you very much for your time. How are you looking at the recent developments with the Politburo doing what it has to do to help prop up the economy?
I think it's probably also important to note that Chinese government's attitude towards the Western countries, particularly foreign business, has improved slightly recently. This is probably, it could create an environment if the third-party planning is going to open in July. I think the overall tone, national securities and technology development, these are important things, but I think there probably will be some indication of economic reform and foreign opening. I think at least the tone will be lean on this manner. So I think this is another development worth attention. I agree that the Chinese government probably right now except for property sector and to a certain extent consumption, are generally happy about the status of the economy. But whether they will do more on the property sector or whether they will, I think if you talk about from a central party planning point of view, not so much detailed policy, but how they define the property sector, will it see it as a slightly more positive thing to the economy rather than a rather negative tone on it? I think these are the kind of things worth attention to.
And so where does your investment thesis lie broadly in China? Because I'm looking at how you're saying you're overweight consumer discretionary, consumer staples, you're overweight China communication services at Reckon Telecom and allied businesses, but the consumer is not spending.
Okay, good point. But at the same time, these are the stocks in which market expectation of their earnings growth and outlook are ironically rather modest. If you look at the earnings upgrade, downgrade, and earnings forecast for 2024, these sectors are relatively modest if you compare to sectors like more hardware tech oriented or more commodity basis, which earnings growth actually are much more bullish than these sectors. So I think in a way, yes, consumption, I think at this stage, I totally agree, still in the recovery stage. But at the same time, market expectation on these sectors are also relatively modest. I think this is two sides of a coin. And also within the consumption sector, some part of it are relatively good. For example, anything related to travel. I think that definitely are doing well. Traveling and electric vehicles, I mean, generally speaking, are two consumer items that people are actually buying right now.